of Sodor, and the engines at Tidmouth Sheds were getting ready for the costume party at Knapford Station. Thomas was dressed as an ancient Egyptian mummy. The big engines, on the other hand, were going as the Avengers. Gordon was going as Captain Sodor, James was going as Iron Train, and Henry was going as the incredible piece of scrap. Percy was planning on going as Frankenstein, but was yet to get into costume. Suddenly, the Fat Controller arrived.
Edward has gone totally senile in his old age and lost the 8 trucks full of food for the costume party that he was supposed to be bringing. They're scattered throughout Henry's forest, so I need an engine to go and collect them and bring them to the party. Any volunteers?
Oh, me. I'll go. I love the forest.
Henry, please, I've already had one delayed tonight. I need an engine I know isn't going to stuff everything up. Anyone else?
None of the other engines wanted to go. They wanted to finish getting ready and go straight to the party.
Percy, how about you?
Me? Alone in the forest? On Halloween night?
Yes, you're a total sissy and could use some hardening up.
But I'm not even in costume yet.
Oh, that's fine. You can just say you're a green caterpillar with red stripes. Right, well, that settles that. Now, if you'll excuse me, I have to go get into my Slender Man costume for the party.
Oh, the irony.
What's a Slender Man?
Think Mr. Percival, but with no face. Oh, and, he takes children.
That sounds scary.
Oh, he is. But it's not the Slender Man you need to be worried about, Percy. It's the Slender Engine that'll get you.
There's no such thing.
Au contraire. In fact, the narrow gauge engines have told me that he lives right here on the island, hiding in amongst the trees, waiting for the perfect moment to strike. Some say he's the reason that so many engines on Sodor seem to go missing and are never seen again, like Duke and Stepney, and all the one-off characters Hit introduced. So don't take too long, Percy, or he'll get you too.
Oh, God damn stupid Edward.
And Percy puffed away.
There's the first truck. Always watches, no eyes. What the heck? How did that get on there? Never mind, let's just get it. Time to get going. Oh no. Which way now? Right or left? Left. The second truck? What the? Can't run? Who's been riding on the trucks? That's 2 out of 8. More scary sounds. I don't like this. I best hurry. The third truck. Yes. Oh no. Help me? So strange. Oh God, I really need to get out of here quick. Can't go forward. I'll have to go right. Ah, the Slender Engine! He's real! Ah, oh my God, there he is again! No, get away from me! Ah! Help!
Now what do we have here? It was a moonlit night a few days before Halloween, and Henry was working with Edward. The big green engine was taking a goods train to the other end of the line. Whenever that owl hoots, a mist rolls in. It's great for sneaking up on the tank engines, if you know what I mean. Ew. Oh, and according to legend, when there's a mist about, there's supposedly a ghost about too. Take care tonight, Henry!
Wait, what? Did he say ghost?
Oh, look. Henry spooked.
Be quiet. I'm not scared.
Oh, I'm gonna have fun with this one.
Owls, mists, ghosts. Edward's going crazy in his old age. There's no mist.
But Henry was wrong. Before long, he could barely see an inch in front of his buffers. Suddenly, he came to a signal at danger. It had a sign nailed to it. Beware of the Slender Engine.
Huh? The Slender Engine?
What a wimp. Huh?
Who's there?
All right, you young whippersnappers. It's time someone taught you about the rules of Halloween, lest you get into trouble this coming Halloween night.
Rules? Sounds lame.
You impertinent scallywag. Have you no respect? Halloween is no joke, and it's certainly not the festive holiday it's made out to be.
What do you mean?
Halloween is the time of the year when the barrier between the living and the dead is at its thinnest. A time when the dead and all manner of evil creatures can freely roam the earth.
Boring.
Quiet, you. And so, to keep safe, there are some rules that must be followed. Rule number 1, wear a costume. Rule number 2, hand out candy. And rule number 3, never blow out a jack-o'-lantern.
Uh-huh. Sounds legit.
Heed my warning, young'uns, for there is an engine with paint that's pumpkin orange and with a face hidden behind a mask who roams the railway on Halloween night, making sure that the rules are enforced one way or another.
everyone.
Good morning,
Good morning, Thomas.
Hey, where's Henry? Yeah, wasn't he supposed to be back by this morning?
Oh, he was probably too lazy to puff back from Vickerstown last night. Either that or someone warned him about Stephen. Anyway, I'm going there now with the express. I'm sure I'll see him on the way.
Soon Gordon was puffing along the main line with the express. He was barely halfway to Vickerstown when he saw some derailed trucks up ahead. Gordon slowed to a stop.
Hello? What do we have here?
It was Henry's train, but Henry was nowhere to be seen.
How strange. Trucks, what happened here?
The trucks did not reply. They all had eerily blank expressions on their faces, all except for Scruffy, who didn't seem to know where he was or how he'd gotten there.
I don't remember coming here.
That evening, Gordon was at Vickerstown Station getting ready to take the evening express back to Knapford. Stanley was arranging his coaches. I heard you found Henry's train today, but he wasn't there.
Yes, it was most strange indeed.
What's more strange is that Henry wasn't the only one to go missing last night.
What?
I saw Mavis earlier looking for Bill and Ben. Apparently, they disappeared in the middle of the night.
That's disturbing.
Indeed, all things considered, you had better be careful tonight.
Oh, please, Stanley. I'll be more than fine.
But secretly, Gordon was a little worried.
See? Nothing to worry about here. I'm totally 100% safe.
This sure is going to be a great Halloween party. If there's anyone left to come to it, that is. Well, I've asked around. No one's seen Gordon, but they did find his coaches stranded in the middle of the main line. The passengers don't remember anything.
Oh no, not Gordon too.
Additionally, Dennis, Molly, Billy, and Neville have all disappeared as well. Yeah, but nobody cares about them. They're only one-off merchandising characters anyway. No offense. Anyway, that makes 6 engines who have disappeared off the face of the island in just 2 days. I think we ought to be concerned by this point. I would be, but I'm the title character, so I'm pretty much invulnerable.
Well, that's great and all, but what about the rest of us?
I don't know, get your own TV shows?
Maybe we should speak to Stephen about this. He seemed to know what he was talking about the other night.
Oh, please. That old crackpot? Look, I'm sure it's no big deal, and there's a perfectly rational explanation for all of this. That being said, I wouldn't be out at night if I were you.
But I have to take the mail train tonight.
Oh, well, in that case, nice knowing you, buddy.
Gosh darn it. What was that? It's okay, Percy. Pull yourself together. You faced off against the Slender Engine and a demon. What could possibly be worse than those? Still, let's make this quick. Gotta hurry. Gotta deliver the mail and get back to the sheds before I disappear too. It's the Slender Engine! A demon Slender Engine! Help! The Slender Engine is after me again! Help!
What? What's going on?
I know what happened to Henry, Gordon, and the others.
What?
Wait, where's James?
Huh? Oh, didn't he take the flying kipper last night?
Oh no, he's got James too.
Who's got James?
No time to explain. We need to find all the other remaining engines on the island and make sure that they're going to the Halloween party tonight at Knapford. Tell them to get there before it gets dark. And make sure they're wearing a costume like Steven said.
Wait, what? Night time is ages away. You've got plenty of time to explain now. Percy! What to dress up as?
Costumes, check. Candy, check. Jack-o'-lanterns, check.
Okay, guys, quiet down.
You all know why we're here. To party?
No, we're here because over the past few nights, engines have been disappearing left, right, and center.
I couldn't find Donald or Douglas this morning.
And I think Bert's gone too.
Rosie is missing also.
And I think Boko and Diesel are gone as well.
Murdoch and Spencer are also confirmed missing. So that's like half of all the mainline engines on Sodor.
Oh, and I don't know where Edward is.
Oh no, not Edward too. He's the only one who knows how to deal with all this kind of stuff.
It's okay, I'm fine. I was just sorting out my costume.
Oh, thank goodness. Well, as I was saying, I know who's behind all of these disappearances. He chased me across the island last night. He's called the Slender Engine.
The Slender Engine? Percy, you know that's just a railway legend I told you to tease you a few Halloweens back.
No, he's real. I faced him once before in Henry's Forest whilst looking for some trucks. It was a few Halloweens ago, right after you first told me about him.
Percy's right. The Slender Engine is much more than just a railway legend. I, too, have met him. I had plans for him, but he got away.
Well, now he's back. But this time, he's got glowing red eyes, like Duck when he was possessed.
Oh, dear.
What?
Well, it's possible that the Slender Engine could have found that truck that we put the demon into and absorbed its power. If that's the case, he's more powerful than ever now, and, well, we're all doomed.
Not quite. So long as we stay within the range of these jack-o'-lanterns, we'll be safe.
Ugh, not this crap again. What are you talking about?
Hey, that's right. The Slender Engine couldn't get to me when I was back at Knapford with the jack-o'-lanterns.
That's why rule number 1 is never blow out a jack-o'-lantern.
Thomas, are we gonna die?
You maybe. I'll be fine.
Oh no, the others.
Looks like it's just Tomica Thomas now. The friends are all but gone.
dignity.
What happened? What happened? Huh. We're back somehow. Ha! I told you I'd be fine. Ah, heck. I am not cleaning this up.